In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana'S rollup field, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to create a rollup column in a portfolio that automatically sums a numeric custom field across the projects it contains. This is perfect for aggregating things like budgets, hours, points, or any number-based metric you already track in your projects. Start by logging into Asana and making sure you're in the correct workspace where your projects live. You'll need access to a portfolio that includes the projects you want to summarize. From the left sidebar, open Portfolios and select the portfolio that contains those projects. Remember, a rollup pulls data only from projects in the portfolio you're viewing, so double-check that the right projects are included. In the portfolio header, look for the plus icon or the Add Field button. This is where you create a new column for your portfolio. Click it, and when the field options appear, choose rollup. A rollup field is a calculated column that aggregates values from a custom field inside each project row, so you can see totals at a glance without opening every project. In the formula section, click into the brackets and start typing the name of the existing numerical custom field you want to sum. Asana will suggest matching fields. Choose the one that already exists in your projects. This part is key. The field must be numeric and present in those projects, or it won't appear in the suggestions and won't roll up correctly. If your teams use units like currency or hours, make sure the underlying field is consistent across projects so the total makes sense. Once the formula is set, give your new rollup field a clear descriptive name. Something like total budget, total hours, or story points sum makes it obvious to anyone reading the portfolio. It's helpful to reflect the unit in the name if your team mixes different metrics. Finally, click Create Field. Your portfolio will add the new rollup column, and Asana will calculate the sum for each project row based on the values in that custom field. You can drag the column to reorder it, sort by it to see highest or lowest first, and click into the field settings later if you need to adjust the formula or rename it. If the totals don't look right, confirm that each project actually uses the same numeric custom field and that values are entered. Refresh the page after any changes. That's it. Your rollup is live and will update automatically as your project data changes.